Hello cubers and non-cubers, I am Saklan and this is my YouTube channel Cube Zone. What you cannot solve this third layer, last layer. So this video is about the tutorial of last layer in one series. I have made two videos previously, like one on cross and second on edges, second on corners. So that video I am going to show in this video, one on series. Like first I will show you how to make a cross, and then I will show you how to align corners in one video. So let's get started.
Som om hverdag var en lørdag. Så mange damer er og drikker stopp på meg. Så jeg lener meg tilbake, livet mitt er deg.
So there are three cases in after you solve this F2L with beginners or CFOP, you have four cases. After all, you are going to end up with cross. So there are four cases. Let's discuss one by one. First, you will receive, after solving your F2L with the beginners or CFOP, then you will receive a bar horizontally. Ignore these corners, only see this edge and center piece. So within any color, you will receive this bar horizontally. Don't take it as vertically, take it as horizontally and do moves. I am not giving any algorithm, I am showing moves, so you can easily do moves without algorithm by seeing this only. I am doing it very slowly. Put the bar horizontally and then perform this move. So as you can see, it end up looking like a cross, or we have made a cross. It's not a line, don't worry, we have made a cross. So this was the first case. The next case you will receive, it's as a L shape. If I put it up like this, then it will show as a L. Ignore these corners. I'm telling again and again that ignore these corners, only see edge and center. So how to put this L? One edge, what we have to do is one edge on our side and one edge on right side. So it will end up like this. And perform algorithm. That same algorithm that we perform on bar case. As you can see, we receive a bar, then again same algorithm. As you can see, we receive a cross at the end, receive a cross. Third case I will discuss, it's different. So third case I will make it. Third case is dot case. This is combination of our L shape case and bar case shape. So we have to perform that algorithm only, no more algorithms, no. This moves. It ends up like L that we have discussed in second case. So again do that algorithm. I am doing it very slowly. So we have received this bar case. Again we are doing to same moves. Again I am doing same moves. It's end up like cross. So we have received a cross. And fourth case is cross only. After you solve your F2L pair, you will receive a cross directly or indirectly by methods. So here we end up making cross. Now I will show you how to align this like this. As we have completed cross in previous scene, we have to align the edges with centers as we do in first layer, like center with the edges like this, orange center with orange edge, blue center with blue edge, red edge, and green with green edge. So similarly we have to do it in last layer. So first of all we have to see whether some edges are pair with their centers or not. There are always two centers and two edges linked with together, always and always. No case where all are disaligned like that or anymore. So we have to rotate like this, and we have to found two edges and centers that that are aligned. So we rotate this green is aligned with center and red is aligned with center, blue is not aligned with center, and orange is not aligned with center. Here orange and here blue. So what we have to do is we have to swap this orange with blue and blue with this orange edge, and these both are solved. So what we have to do in this case, we have to put these two solved ones back like this back, and we have to put this swap ones in front like this in front, and perform these moves. So this was the move. As you can see, all the edges are paired, but note we have two edges compulsorily paired with their respective centers. Then we have to apply this algorithm to obtain this cross with aligned edges. The subcase is this: you cannot find any of the piece like adjacent pair. You cannot find any of the piece aligned in adjacent. Like you will find a piece and a center or edge aligned with opposite pair like this. Green with pair is green center, and blue is pair with blue center. Not like the previous case, they are adjacent to each other. They are in this case these two edges are opposite to each other, and these two have to swap. So what you have to do is perform same algorithm again. And now you have obtained these two adjacent linked pairs like blue and orange with orange. Now you have to swap like previous case. Again perform that algorithm by putting this paired one back and this unpaired one front. Perform that algorithm again, and you will receive a line cross. This was the two cases in cross aligning. So we will further discuss this corner pieces and corner aligning. Now in corner aligning there are many cases to discuss. First one is all corner are not aligned. The best case not the best case, the worst case, all corner are not aligned. So we have to align one of the pair, one of them, so we can see the color. This is blue and orange, and this is orange and green. So orange and green have to come here. This corner will swap this. So swapping algorithm is this, that will put this corner to this place, this corner to this place like this. This is green and orange, so it will come here. This corner will come here. Put it in right hand side. The corner you have to swap and perform this algorithm. As you can see, green and orange here swap from here to here, from front to back with their respective position. So we receive one of them or all four matched with their position. As we are seeing that this also not pair, so we can apply this algorithm here also, like this. Wait a second, this is red and green, so we have to put backward here to here, like this. As you can see, the color the red and green which was in front swapped to backward. So this moves basically do this corner to back. On this move do this only, and our green and orange with their respective position, these both are unpaired and these both are paired. We don't use this algorithm again and again, so we are going to align all the corners. Like this is going to match up like this. This is going to match up like this in this position only. So we have algorithms to change this position to their respective position. We will see this in next scene. As you can see, we have to align this green and orange piece in this position only, like this. We have to just flip like this, not with hand, with moves. So what we have to do is put this on front and right hand side and perform these algorithms to flip this corner one by one. See these moves. So as you can see, this orange which was on up side, it's on front side, swap to front side. So this move purely not fix the corner, but we again do this move to fix this corner, like this. We have to perform 2 times these moves to to obtain this corner to its respective position, like this. We are going to apply these moves again. As you can see, this corner is fixed by 2 moves, by applying 2 same moves. Sometimes you receive this as this. So by applying one move, can one time can solve that with the respective position. After that, we have not to disturb this space and put this space on our left hand side and front, like this, and never disturb this space again. So we have these 3 corners. As we have seen in previous case, that if we don't need this space here, we can swap it from back. So now we can swap this corner to back, because there is no need of this corner here. Like this move, as I have shown you previously, I swap this edge from this. Now this is also the edge we are not going to require, so we are also going to swap this corner with back, because we need orange and blue which is here. So again we are going to do that move. And now you have seen that without any algorithm, that piece came here and uh, fixed it by its own on its respective position. So we have last two edges which are linked with their pairs but not fixed on their position, like red and red will go here and blue will go here and green will go here and this red will go here. Corners are at their position but not fixed. So what we have to do is same algorithm as before. As you can see, the last layer is solved. One more subcase is there in this last two pairs. So I'm showing you this, that one yellow is facing our side, front side, and one yellow is facing back side. So what we have to do is we have to apply that algorithm twice. Once and twice. So we have completed with the cases. One case is there, I find this is the case which I have found. So what we have to do in this case, the corners are arranged in their position only, and we have to just swap these corners. So what we have to do is again that algorithm thrice or 4 times, like this. Put it in any direction like this, but you have to put unpaired corners and unpaired corners at diagonally like this, right hand side and left hand side back and right hand side front, like, and perform that algorithm thrice or 4 times. This completed 1 times. Two times, and as you see this, we have received the last case. Then again that algorithm. Thrice, and now again 4 times. As you can see, the cube is solved. So this was the last layer. So we have completed the last layer in Rubik's Cube. If you like this video, then give the thumbs up and comment down below which method you like the most, like CFOB, ZZ method and beginners method. It's my first video in English, that's why I am lagging in between or I not have words to say. So if you like the video, then give the thumbs up and comment down below and share this video. Last video tutorial. So see you guys in the next video.